How to create Thanksgiving DIY place cards with Cricut. Step 1. Open your Design Space app and upload a square shape. Step 2. Select the square and choose 4 in width size and 5 in height. Step 3. Add a color to the square card. Step 4. Go to Shape and select Score Line. Step 5. Center the score line vertically on your square card. Step 6. Upload the text image of the name and size it accordingly over the square. Step 7. Add a design to the square card. Step 8. Change the images to white. Step 9. Press the Make It button. Step 10. Load the cutting material and mat into the Cricut machine. Step 11. Insert the Cricut pens to draw the designs. Step 12. Fill the image with a Sharpie. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.